welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey to the Caribbean, a realm of azure waters, swaying palms, and vibrant cultures. These islands, scattered like jewels across the Caribbean Sea, each hold a unique allure, a symphony of natural wonders and human stories waiting to be discovered. Join us as we unveil the 10 most captivating Caribbean islands, each a paradise in its own right. From the Bahamas' legendary beaches to the rhythmic heart of Jamaica, prepare to be enchanted by the irresistible charm of the Caribbean. Our journey begins in the Bahamas, an archipelago of over 700 islands, each a brushstroke of paradise on the canvas of the Caribbean Sea. Here, the waters shimmer with an almost unreal clarity, revealing a world teeming with life below. Schools of vibrantly colored fish dart amongst coral reefs, while gentle stingrays glide effortlessly through the shallows. Above the surface, the iconic pink sands of Harbor Island beckon, a testament to nature's artistry. Venture to the Exumas, a chain of islands renowned for their unspoiled beauty. It's here that you might encounter the unexpected sight of swimming pigs, paddling towards you with playful curiosity. Dive into the depths of Thunderball Grotto, a cavernous underwater world featured in numerous films, its walls adorned with vibrant corals and sponges, home to an array of marine life. In Nassau, the Bahamian capital, history comes alive. Wander through the streets lined with pastel-colored colonial buildings, a reminder of the island's rich past. Explore the ramparts of Fort Charlotte, its cannons once guarding against pirate invasions, and soak in the panoramic views of the harbor. Our journey continues to Jamaica, an island pulsating with life, a vibrant tapestry woven from music, history, and natural splendor. Here the air hums with the unmistakable rhythm of reggae, a soundtrack to life that reverberates through the streets, beaches, and mountains. This is the land of Bob Marley, a global icon whose music continues to inspire and uplift, a testament to the power of Jamaican culture. Venture into the heart of Kingston, Jamaica's capital, a city that pulsates with creative energy. Visit the Bob Marley Museum, housed in the reggae legend's former home and recording studio. Explore Trenchtown, the neighborhood that birthed reggae music, its streets alive with murals depicting scenes from Jamaican life and the faces of musical legends. But Jamaica's allure extends far beyond its musical heritage. Prepare to be captivated by the island's dramatic landscapes, from the lush, verdant rainforests of the Blue Mountains to the cascading waters of Dunn's River Falls. Here, you can climb the natural limestone steps, cooled by the refreshing spray of the falls, a truly exhilarating experience. Our Caribbean adventure now takes us to Barbados, an island where British heritage blends seamlessly with Caribbean charm, creating a unique cultural tapestry. Here, stately colonial architecture stands as a reminder of the island's past, while the vibrant energy of its people infuses every corner with warmth and life. Begin your exploration in Bridgetown, the island's capital and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through its historic streets, lined with brightly colored buildings, their balconies adorned with intricate wrought ironwork. Visit St. Nicholas Abbey, a beautifully preserved 17th century plantation house, and step back in time as you explore its rooms, filled with antique furniture and period decor. But Barbados is perhaps best known for its beaches, each more idyllic than the last. On the west coast, known as the Platinum Coast, you'll find calm, turquoise waters and pristine white sand beaches, perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and simply relaxing. Head to the east coast, pounded by the Atlantic surf, for a more rugged and exhilarating experience. Here, surfers ride the waves, while locals gather for picnics and dominoes games, their laughter carried on the ocean breeze. Chapter 4. Our Caribbean Odyssey now brings us to St. Lucia, an island dominated by the iconic Pitons, two towering volcanic peaks that rise dramatically from the sea. These majestic landmarks, cloaked in lush rainforest, are a symbol of St. Lucia's untamed beauty, a testament to the raw power of nature. Begin your exploration in Soufriere, a charming town nestled in the shadow of the Pitons. Here you can visit the Sulphur Springs, a drive-in volcano where you can experience the therapeutic benefits of a mud bath, or simply marvel at the bubbling mud pots and steaming fumaroles. Hike to the summit of Gros Piton, a challenging but rewarding trek that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the island. For a more relaxing experience, head to Marigot Bay, a sheltered harbor surrounded by lush greenery. Once a haven for pirates, this picturesque bay is now a popular spot for yachting and swimming. Chapter 5. Our Caribbean voyage now takes us to Aruba, an island bathed in sunshine, its shores caressed by the gentle trade winds. Known for its pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and arid desert landscapes, Aruba offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. Begin your exploration in Oranjestad, the island's capital, a charming city with a distinctly Dutch ambiance. Wander through its streets lined with colorful colonial buildings, their facades painted in pastel hues. Visit Fort Zoutman, the oldest structure in Aruba, dating back to the 18th century, and explore its ramparts, offering panoramic views of the harbor. No trip to Aruba is complete without experiencing its legendary beaches. Eagle Beach, consistently ranked among the most beautiful beaches in the world, beckons with its powdery white sand and crystal-clear waters. Our Caribbean journey now takes us to the Turks and Caicos Islands, renowned for their pristine beaches and tranquil ambiance. Here you'll find a true escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Begin your exploration on Providenciales, home to the breathtaking Grace Bay Beach. This iconic beach stretches for miles, its powdery white sand lapped by gentle turquoise waters. Venture beyond Provo to discover the unspoiled beauty of the other islands. Chapter 7. Our Caribbean adventure now takes us to the Dominican Republic, an island nation that shares the island of Hispaniola with Haiti. With its diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, the Dominican Republic offers a captivating blend of experiences. Begin your exploration in Santo Domingo, the oldest European city in the Americas and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the Zona Colonial, its well-preserved colonial buildings a testament to the city's rich past. Beyond Santo Domingo, the Dominican Republic unfolds with a tapestry of natural wonders. Chapter 8, Puerto Rico, the island of enchantment. Our Caribbean exploration now takes us to Puerto Rico, an island brimming with vibrant culture and breathtaking natural beauty. Known as the Island of Enchantment, Puerto Rico offers a unique blend of Latin American and American influences. Begin your journey in Old San Juan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with cobblestone streets and colorful colonial buildings. Explore Castillo San Felipe del Morro and stroll along the Paseo de la Princesa for stunning views. Venture beyond the city to discover Puerto Rico's natural wonders. Hike through El Yunque National Forest, the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System. For adventure, explore the vast underground caves of Rio Camuy Cave Park. Chapter 9. St. Kitts and Nevis Twin Islands of Tranquility. Our Caribbean odyssey now takes us to the twin islands of St. Kitts and Nevis, a haven of tranquility and natural beauty. Here, lush rainforests cloak volcanic peaks, pristine beaches beckon with their azure waters, and a relaxed pace of life prevails. Begin your exploration on St. Kitts, the larger of the two islands, and delve into its rich history at Brimstone Hill Fortress National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This imposing fortress, perched atop a volcanic hill, offers panoramic views of the island and its surroundings, a testament to the island's strategic importance during the colonial era. Venture into the lush interior of St. Kitts and hike through the rainforest to Mount Liamuiga, a dormant volcano that dominates the island's landscape. From its summit, enjoy breathtaking views of the island and its neighboring islands, a truly rewarding experience for nature enthusiasts. Cross the channel to Nevis, the smaller and quieter of the Twin Islands, and step back in time as you explore its charming capital, Charlestown. Chapter 10. Antigua and Barbuda. Embracing the rhythm of island life. Our Caribbean adventure culminates in Antigua and Barbuda, twin islands renowned for their stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. With 365 beaches, one for each day of the year, Antigua and Barbuda offer a slice of paradise for every traveler. Begin your exploration in St. John's, the capital of Antigua and Barbuda, a bustling city with a rich history and vibrant culture. Visit the Nelson's Dockyard National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and step back in time to the days when Antigua was a strategic British naval base. Explore the historic dockyard with its restored Georgian buildings, and learn about the island's role in the Age of Sail. Venture beyond St. John's to discover Antigua's diverse landscapes. Head to English Harbor, a picturesque natural harbor and a popular yachting destination. Explore the historic fortifications of Shirley Heights, perched atop a hill overlooking English Harbor, and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the island. Thanks for joining us on this Caribbean adventure. We hope you enjoyed discovering the unique beauty, culture, and spirit of these 10 captivating islands. From the Bahamas' legendary beaches to the rhythmic soul of Jamaica, each island offers a unique tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the wonders of the Caribbean. Countless other islands, each with its own story to tell, beckon with their own unique charm. So, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and let the spirit of the Caribbean inspire your next adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep seeking out those breathtaking corners of our planet and keep the spirit of adventure alive.